Hey everyone, massive inflows hitting China's Shanghai silver vaults right now. Over 110 metric tons added in just the past few days as silver pushes to all-time highs around $64 per ounce. Let's break down the latest data and what's driving this. First, a quick note. This video is for informational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing here is investment advice. Precious metals markets are volatile, and you should always do your own research or consult a professional before making any decisions. Okay, straight into the numbers from today's China SGE/SHFE daily report dated December 16, 2025. On the pricing side, silver on the SHFE closed at 14,666 RMB per kilogram, which is down about 0.30% on the day, equivalent to roughly $64.80 per ounce in USD terms. Gold on SHFE closed at 971.42 RMB per gram, down 0.60%, or around $429 per ounce. More notably, SHFE silver vaults showed a daily inflow of 32.901 kilograms today. Wait, no, 32.901 metric tons, bringing the total to 890.715 kilograms. Wait, that can't be right. Actually, looking closely, it's 890.715 tons for today's vaults reading, with that plus 32.901 ton addition. And for the week from December 8th to December 12th, another plus 21.060 tons. These inflows come after reports earlier in the year of Shanghai inventories dipping to multi-year lows around late November, with some sources noting levels below 450 tons at one point amid strong physical demand and exports. The recent additions, including larger ones like around 37 tons on the 15th and 40 tons earlier in the week, total over 110 tons in a short span, signaling significant restocking activity even as prices remain elevated. This aligns with broader market dynamics where physical silver tightness has been a theme throughout 2025. Turning to investment demand, global silver ETF holdings have climbed sharply this year. According to recent commentary from Saxo Bank and Bloomberg data, total holdings are now around 850 million ounces, a 3.5-year high and up about 19% year-to-date, driven largely by ETF inflows. That reflects strong investor interest amid silver's dual role as both an industrial metal and a store of value. On the speculative side, the latest available Commitments of Traders report from the CFTC for the week ending November 25, 2025, showed managed money and other reportables holding a net long position of around 31,000 contracts, equivalent to roughly 155 million ounces. That's the weakest net long in about 18 months for that category, suggesting speculators weren't overly extended heading into the recent price surge. To visualize the longer-term picture on investment flows, here's a chart showing silver ETF holdings versus COMEX speculator net positions over recent years, sourced from Bloomberg and Saxo. You can see ETF holdings trending steadily higher, especially in 2024 and 2025, while speculator positioning has been more volatile, often pulling back during pullbacks before rebuilding. Overall, 2025 has been an extraordinary year for silver, with prices more than doubling from early levels amid ongoing supply constraints, robust industrial offtake, particularly from solar, electronics, and green tech, and persistent investor accumulation. Physical market indicators like vault flows in major hubs including Shanghai continue to show active movement as participants position for sustained demand. That's the update for today. Fascinating developments in the silver space as we head toward year-end. Again, just to wrap up, like I said at the start, this is all educational content based on publicly available market data. Markets can move quickly and unpredictably, past performance isn't indicative of future results, and precious metals carry risks like any asset class. Always make decisions based on your own situation and professional guidance if needed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.